Hello everyone. Today I'm just going to demonstrate about a little bit about my latest development on which I have working on some project which related to the time projection. So basically, yeah. So basically, when we have the price, suppose when the market is open and we got the price from the price of the any asset like index and stocks, any equity you can select. Here all the freedom we have made this very dynamic and versatile. So here like whatever the stocks, mostly stocks is listed in the NSE. So we have taken all the data from the NSE site, yeah, and we are analyzing on the live. Okay, then based on that we got the value of the any asset. Like here we have selected Nifty 50, okay, at the market open and in the morning and 9:15. So we got the data. Okay, so based on the data, whatever we data get, basically this value, what is the low, high and open. Okay, open, low, high, basically open, high, low and live, right? Whatever the closing price. Okay, so this price we got from the NSC. So based on this data, whatever the data is coming from the NSC, so then it will be monitoring and forecast the time projection. What will be the price action at the time. Okay, so this is the very versatile model which we have developed, and I have done a lot of research, and I have integrated like time and price and time relationship. So then when the price and time relationship match, so then we got the some we expect some move. Okay, so then we are not going to the more detail, just I am just demonstrating. So based on that is very versatile. I suppose we have listed here whatever the stocks, so we can select here so many stocks, like whatever you name it, everything is here. Okay, so all here now, just I'm just explaining few of them. Okay, so now I have just because of it will take more time, so that's what I made the radio of 3 selection here. Okay, I just need to change the cell name. Okay, I need to select this cell name here. So suppose this is the my personal whatever I'm tracking every trading session. Okay, so these are the my favorite list. Okay, so these are the list which this is I'm tracking the continuously on basis. Okay, so now suppose here we have selected, suppose Nifty, also we have the freedom, we can select here any other. Suppose if I select here, you can see it will be reflect here, and data will be change. Okay, so you see everything, it will be everything is dynamic. You see the iteration happening here. Okay, it's taking time because it's very heavy. You see there is a change in the system. Okay, now suppose we can have suppose we select here again. I am just going to select the Nifty. Okay, here from here. So yeah, wait here. So because my system is not having that much capacity, that's what is been taking time. If you have the very fast system, then it will be very the whole execution will be very fast. Okay, so this is this whatever we have done is we have integrated a lot of things, and we did a lot of coding on this in micro VBA. Visual Basic. Okay, suppose we can select the Nifty here. So I'm just demonstrating few of them. Suppose we have selected Nifty here. You can see Nifty has come here. So everything is dynamic. See the data will be changed. Okay, so this is in our database. We have the data from the yeah, we got the from some live data from NSC side, whatever the data they are providing. Okay, so yeah, see it has been changed. Okay, so after that, if everything is changed, so then you can see here there is some graph will be changed here. Suppose earlier, see, wait a minute, it will come because that iteration is happening. So earlier, as you know, earlier we have selected the bank Nifty, so that's what it's showing for the bank Nifty. You see the bank Nifty is the live price of the bank Nifty is 59,251. So you say wait, because some iteration is happening here, you can see the bottom calculating, because my machine is not that much powerful, so then it cannot give the directly. So if my machine is very powerful, then immediately we get everything here. Okay, so just wait a minute, it will display here. Yeah, wait a minute, it will come. Yeah, see, just wait yeah, now you see it's change. Okay, it's calculating. Wait a minute, just is, Yeah, it's changed now. This data for the Nifty. Okay, as you know, use if you check the Nifty, what happened in the Nifty today, you go and check your Nifty chart, Nifty 50 chart. Okay, then you can note it down the time here. What is the time here? 2:55, 2:55 p.m. You can see the what kind of the action you have seen in the your Nifty chart, and you can make note it down now what happened the when the time is 12:55. You can make it two time here, one 12:55 p.m. and two, I think this one 2:55, and this is the 12:55 timing here. One time is here and another time is here. You can see what type of action Nifty has done. This is your task. I'm just explaining my system. Okay, so now see, suppose this for the Nifty, suppose I want to look another. You just remember this, what kind of a structure is here. Suppose and Nifty, whatever, whenever the change is happening, you see the lifetime here, time will start from here, it's here. So suppose I'm just selecting here, this is the upper whatever the model we have designed. So it will show the some trend. Whenever the time will come, it will display here. Okay, so this is a very versatile and very dynamic model, and it's a very advanced level. Yeah, so see here, I'm just scrolling into the right side. Okay, so you see whenever the change will happen, it will display here. Okay, so whenever the change is happening, so it will come here because it's stuck, it's iterating because my machine is not heavy too much. Okay, I'm going to plan to yeah, heavy machine now. You see, we couldn't get. You see now, you see there is a change here. Yeah, change, and I told you some time also. Okay, I told you some time here. There is some time is here. So you see the timing here, 240, 242. You can check 242 what happened in the Nifty. 242, you can check. Okay, because I have put it in the my X account. You can have also look. Okay, history there if you want to. So otherwise you can make it, you can note down the two time, and you can make a note, yeah, so then you can test, you can check by yourself. Okay, so wait a minute. Yeah, so like that it will be display here. So now just we are going to, and I want to show another one, because I don't want to make it a very long video here. I just want to demonstrate it here whatever the new latest development we have. Okay, this is the basically, this is when the market, suppose this can, you will suppose see, have a look, that Nifty, what Nifty has done the previous session. As you know, if you have gone through the Nifty chart, so then you can find the time of the day high. It was, I think, just we can have a look the exact number. What was the number? So it's maximum high market made is 25,940. So that it was at the starting onward. You see the chart, so then you got the time high. Based on that, you know the time is 9:50, or that you can take the window is 9:15 to 9:20. So in 9:20 there will be high made by the Nifty, and that was the 25,940. So that time you know what will happen the next in coming 6 hour. Okay, during our, so all the forecasted data is here. So based on this data, okay, so you know what will be the move. Okay, what will be move in the what time. So suppose Nifty is here, so as Nifty made here, so up to here, you know what will be happen, what is the exact timing. Okay, exact timing of reversal. So then we got this timing of reversal mean 2:45 time is reversal timing. Whatever the trend, it will be reversed. Okay, at this particular time, whatever the time it will be, that time, okay, it will be reversed. Okay, so now that information we got before 9:25. So you know, and you can check the accuracy. Okay, so now I want to show another one. Suppose everybody is talking about the ITC. Okay, nowadays, because yeah, so now we can select the ITC. So I don't want to, yeah, we can select here from the drop down window. Okay, so we have this ITC in my favorite list. Yeah, you see, I have selected. You see, I have selected. Data will be synced and it will be reflect in our system. Okay. So like I have selected, it's calculating because this is require heavy machine because there are so many traces happening together. Okay, you see everything is changed and data will be reflect here. So now we can see what is the happening in the chart. You see now, just wait a minute, what happening because it's updating. But time has came. So it was the high made by the ITC that previous session, 341. Okay, that was the high, and low it made 336.10. Okay, so now and live price is now 380 380 38.25. You see, still just wait a minute, it will update. This is the previous data is still updating. Okay, wait a minute, because yeah, it will update is happening. Just quick, wait a minute, it will come. Because see, is there are so many iteration is happening because this almost simulation is happening inside background. Okay, so that's what is taking time. If you have very heavy machine, then it will be come very immediately when you select, then it will come. So it still is saying the calculating. Okay, because sometimes when I start recording, so then it take more time because this my yeah, recording tool, it slow my system. I don't know why. Sometime. So just wait, come please. Yes, you see now graph has been turned up, is changed. Now you got the timing. Okay, you see there is a timing here. Yeah, timing is here. You see that this red and green vertical line. Okay, so that I'm not explaining the much detail because it's very huge information is required and it's we cannot share. Still we are working on. So but that the result is with whatever stock and equity I have analyzed through this system, I got 100% accuracy, 100% efficiency of this tool. Okay, this is very advanced. It's very advanced. So now and yeah, you see it's changed. So suppose quickly we can see one more thing, and suppose we want to see this one. Suppose any another. Suppose you so we can see the bank Nifty. Okay, Nifty bank. So you see yeah, see all the data will be changed as you selected here. So all, because this system is completely dynamic, everything will change. You see I have selected bank Nifty, it is taking time. Okay, because it is iterating. Okay, it's calculating. You see everything will change. Now suppose this is the time, this is high value of 341, right? You say wait a minute, it will come automatically because we have the huge database. It's taking data from that our database. Okay, and calculating. Yeah, you see it's updating, it's updated. But we can see the what will be the graph. See, yeah, now graph also changed. Earlier it was for ITC, now you see the bank Nifty graph. Okay, you see, if you check, if you check bank Nifty graph, it says from this graph what I'm getting there is a some change in the Nifty, and immediately that bank Nifty turn up the opposite direction, whatever the direction we got initially. So because this window shows to me, tells to me whatever the change is happening, immediately within the 5 minutes is turned up the another trend. After that is moving the another trend, another direction. So this is the, and if you notice that both the trend, it will be the same length. So this is the very huge information, whatever the information is here. So here one thing is here, second one trend is here, second trend in this box, third trend in this box, fourth trend is this one. This is the like triangle is here, and fifth one is here. There is a huge information inside in this graph. Okay, I'm not able to explain here with a very short time because this is only for the demonstration purpose. And one more thing I would like to add here. So whatever things I showed you, this is on my personal research. This is not for, I'm not yeah, I'm not that is the disclaimer I'm making here. We are not this is whatever I'm showing, that is on my personal view and my personal research. Whatever transaction you are making, you take your own decision, and kindly, and you can consult with your financial advisor. This is the disclaimer I'm making. Whatever thing I showed you, that is only for my research purpose, and I have got the very surprising result. Whatever I have done, I did a lot of research, and yeah, on the price and time relationship. Okay, so that the only, I just share my latest development of my model which I am working past few years. Okay, so now, and yeah, and thank you for listening. If you, and one more thing, if you have any query, just let me know. You can write in the comment or you can mail me, so then I try to respond it. Okay, so, and until unless new latest development and new explanation on any other tools, other the demonstration of my tool to another stock or index, so that will be, just you can stay updated. Okay, yeah, yeah, thank you for watching.